Today is May 12th. Look at that. There's Pluto with the red collar attacking, I think, Xena. No? Attacking who? Is there a collar on that
That's
one?
Cookie.
Cookie?
Yeah.
Yep, that's Cookie right there's Cookie. Pluto, who's still up for adoption. Over there with the yellow collar on the left, that is Juno, still up for adoption. There's Xena right there. Crazy.
Look at those two. Whoa.
Whoa, we got a wrestling match going on. Ooh, wrestling match. Uh-oh. Looks like Cookie's a top dog wrestler, man. Got Xena down. Down for the count.
Oh, great.
Oh, great. Double teaming. Now you got Pluto coming after Xena.